Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen gravy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Don't forget your aromatics, a clove of minced garlic and a 1/2-inch piece of grated ginger. Having a small saucepan and a whisk on hand will make the process smooth and easy. Now, let's get cooking. In your small saucepan, heat 1 teaspoon of a neutral oil over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and grated ginger, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, pour in your 1 cup of broth and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir everything together and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld. To achieve that perfect gravy consistency, we'll create a cornstarch slurry. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, whisking until smooth. Slowly pour this slurry into your simmering broth mixture while continuously whisking. Keep whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the gravy thickens beautifully. It should coat the back of a spoon. Your ramen gravy is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors or a dash of sesame oil for extra aroma. Serve your delicious, homemade ramen gravy immediately over your favorite ramen noodles, rice, or even steamed vegetables. It's incredibly versatile. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.